8 remarkable benefits of papaya leaf juice for your health. Carica papaya is commonly known as papaya. It is a fruit that is also known as the fruit of the angels. It has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its many health benefits. The papaya tree stems, leaves, and roots are rich in papain, an enzyme widely used for its medicinal properties. This video discusses the many health benefits of papaya leaf juice. You must watch until the end for a simple recipe to make papaya leaf juice at home. Number 1. Papaya leaf juice has an abundance of nutrients and vitamins. Papaya leaf is a good source of vitamins A, C, and E, as well as minerals like potassium and magnesium. It also contains an amino acid called glycoside, which makes it an excellent choice for you to maintain your health. Looking for a healthy drink option? Look no further than papaya leaf juice. Packed full of essential vitamins and minerals, papaya leaf juice is a perfect addition to your daily diet. Number 2. Papaya leaf juice may help boost your immune system. Looking to boost your immune system naturally? With a high concentration of vitamin C, papaya leaf strengthens your immune system, helping you ward off infections and illnesses. Vitamin C boosts your immunity, shielding you against everyday coughs and colds. So why not add this incredible leaf drink to your diet and stay one step ahead in your quest for an infection-free life? Number 3. Papaya leaf juice may help to promote your digestive health. Thanks to the enzyme papain, papaya leaf aids digestion by breaking down proteins, reducing bloating, and promoting healthy gut bacteria. Another enzyme, chymopapain, found in papaya leaf, also benefits your digestion and promotes regular bowel movements. As a juice, papaya leaf is rich in water and fiber, which can help relieve constipation naturally. Number 4. Another health benefit of papaya leaf juice is that it may promote a healthy heart. Drinking papaya leaf can benefit your heart health due to its potassium and fiber content. Enjoy a refreshing cup of papaya leaf juice to support your cardiovascular system. This drink is packed with powerful antioxidants, fiber, and potassium that can promote cardiovascular health by maintaining healthy blood pressure and cholesterol levels. This is another health benefit of papaya leaf juice for your body. Number 5. Papaya leaf juice may help improve your mood. Did you know that papaya leaf juice can be a natural mood booster? It contains B vitamins, amino acids, and vitamin C that can all contribute to the production of serotonin, the happy hormone. Number 6. Revitalize your skin with the wonders of papaya leaf juice. Drinking papaya leaf juice can help you achieve healthy and glowing skin. Did you know that papaya leaf juice can do wonders for your skin? Papaya leaf juice contains enzymes that can enhance the health and appearance of your skin. Consumed orally or applied topically to help with healthier, better, and radiant-looking skin. Thanks to its carpain compounds, this juice can help suppress the activity of harmful free radicals, detoxify your skin, and even prevent skin problems like pimples, freckles, and acne. So, why not give your skin a boost of natural goodness with a glass of refreshing papaya leaf juice? Number 7. Another amazing health benefit of papaya leaf juice is that it is great for your liver. Did you know papaya leaf juice can work wonders for your liver health? Not only is it a powerful detoxifier, but it also helps to cleanse your liver and support liver function. Your liver filters and eliminates waste, and papaya leaf juice can aid in keeping it healthy and functioning optimally. So why not see the excellent health benefits for yourself? Number 8. The last and most popular benefit of papaya leaf juice is to treat dengue fever. Papaya leaf juice is a traditional remedy that effectively treats dengue fever. Along with regular medicines, it can work wonders in reducing body temperature. Dengue fever can lower the blood platelet count, but papaya leaf extract can help to increase it. Moreover, studies found that papaya leaf juice prevents complications associated with dengue fever, such as body rashes and bleeding. Drinking a small glass of papaya leaf juice twice daily during dengue fever can significantly boost the platelet count and reduce fever. Selecting the perfect papaya leaf for juicing is critical to getting that sweet tropical flavor. Look for leaves that are primarily green with no yellowish color and no sign of disease. Here is a simple papaya leaf juice recipe for you to try at home. blend papaya leaf with water, add a hint of lemon juice for a refreshing drink. Also, remember that some people should consume papaya leaf juice with caution. It can induce contractions in pregnant women, and those with latex allergies should be careful. So always listen to your body and consult a healthcare provider if unsure. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and wellness advice, and thank you for watching the video.